And now here we want to add a link to the company name. So it also goes here to the edit. So here on application links, I'll create a new link. And on a field link, we don't have the edit link available no more because we already have the linkage created for editing applications. Okay, so now if I choose here the field that I want to link, and that was the company name. Then I'll go next, and then just below that, of course, I can choose again the form companies. And next, and we are passing the ID companies. The field it is not a fixed value or no value. It is a field that you have available within your application, and the value is then also ID companies. We confirm that, and then of course we can choose if we want to open that in the same window, in a modal window, in an iframe, in a tab, open at parent. The choice is really yours, and some of these options really give you a completely different view on how your applications function, look, and it's really cool. So in this case, I will just go ahead with modal, and of course we can adjust that at any time, and then I'll save that. And if I go run, now here, when I click on the company name, that will open up inside of a modal window.